Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Wrap and Scraps channel. So, you guys, what are we talking about today here on the channel? Well, first of all, I hope everyone's doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope that things are going well for you in your life, okay? As you can see, I have this little cute purse in front of me. We're talking about creativity and purses and how they can go together because, you know, I said wrapped in scraps, meaning recycle, repurpose, reuse all parts of your life. And that does mean fashion as well. So I wanted to talk about this purse. I did mention it in one of my previous videos about this purse, but I want to expand on that. Now, what I want to talk about is something that I kind of referenced back in one of my other videos. I spoke about in the color wall video. And the color wall, to those of you who are just now joining the channel, I am a crafter. I'm sitting in my craft room that I renovated, completely renovated and did everything. I love it. It's a great place. I did a color wall on the side, which is a lot of my craft and products all color coded. Okay. Now on that wall, I shared with you guys this magazine by Miche. I believe that's how you pronounce it, by Miche. Now what Miche is, here is one of the purses here. Actually, this is the one that's in the catalog. This catalog is old. This is from 2014. 2014. So it's been a while. Okay, but I wanted to share this with you guys especially for those of you who are really like to kind of soup up your outfit. You really want your outfit to look very original and polished and unique, creative, whatever. So the whole purpose of the purse is for you to have different, we'll say, sleeves that go on the outside of the purse. Now, this is an oldie but goodie. Like I've stated, this is from 2014 that I found out about this purse. Actually, I found out about it in 2016, but the magazine the girl had when I looked at it was from 2014, okay? So this is the Miche purse. This is the classic, okay? There's several different sizes of the purse. Now, the reason why this purse is so sought after, in my case, for me, even though it was considered a trend, is twofold. One, you can switch up, you can have the same purse and switch up the outside of the purse. This portion of the purse, as you just saw, is magnetic. Comes all the way off, okay? I consider this like a sleeve, like a cover, okay? So it goes on like this. So through the magazine, I'll insert some pictures. There's plenty of different sleeves that you can purchase. Now, for all you crafters, DIYers, and fashion, all you folks, this is why I love this purse so much. It comes with so many different sleeves. And if you want to, you can find some of the older sleeves at the thrift store because now they do have them at the thrift store. You know, people with trends, they kind of go along with the flow. If everyone else is doing it, they do it. Me personally, I'm not a trendy person. If something comes along that I like it. Once the trend is over, it doesn't mean I stop liking it. I still might use it because I have my own brain, okay? So I might like it, but once it's over, it's not over for me. It's only over if I decide not to like it, okay? So I still have mine. I have all the sleeves. I'm going to show you some of the different ones that I have, and then I'm going to show you the one that I made, okay? Just so you guys can see. This is great when you're going on vacation or you're going on a retreat or something like that, and you want to have different purses to match your shoes, because for me, purses and shoes take up the most room in my suitcase anytime I go somewhere, because my purse has to match my shoes has to match all my accessories in my outfit. I'm just saying, I can't just take one black purse and that be that. It's not going to work because why? Well, I like color and I'm going to be wearing a lot of color and I need for my purse to match that. Okay, so I'm just showing you a few of the ones that I have. And like I stated, they come in different colors, different sizes. So if you like to carry a big bag, kind of like the Everfull, they have that size. Here's another sleeve. Now this is the same purse, just different covers. Okay, so that's that cover. Here we have it in like a dark pink color. And you can see how easy it is to put it on there. There's no struggle. Okay, so that's that one there. Pull that one off. Got one more I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to show you the one that I made to go over. I made it kind of like a slip cover for one of the shells that I found at the thrift store that I didn't really care for. It wasn't really my style. And I said, okay, I'll take that sleeve and I'll make something. I'll make one that I do like to go over it. Okay. So here is this one. Okay. So just that quick. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? 5 different purses that can all fit into one of these purses. Look at this. I can fit these, you know, somewhere in there like that. Look at that. So when you store them in your closet, you can store them like this because they fold up almost like a pocketbook, okay? And as you can see, they're all different. And so let me show you the one I made. The inside of the purse, it's just like a typical purse. I need to scrub it out, but it's just a regular purse. Ladies, don't let your lipsticks and lip glosses be loose in your purse, okay? I don't do it anymore, but this was before I stopped doing it. So it has some markings in there from when I did do it. Sorry, I got all these flyaways, y'all say. All right, so those are the sleeves that I bought. Now, I bought these because I don't know if they still have boutiques from Miche. I'm not sure, but I do know that when it was in its prime, it was doing really well amongst certain groups of people. So for me, anytime I go to a thrift store or a yard sale, I'm looking for them because I can pay $2, $3. I think some of these still have the price on them because I haven't worn it yet. Okay, so this one. I went to Savers, which is a thrift store local to my area, and I paid $6.99 for this one, but I probably paid less. I never paid full price, so I probably had a coupon and paid less. But as you can see, this is really nice when it's on there. You know, you need a green purse, you're going somewhere and you're wearing some tropical colors or something. I mean, this is perfect. And you also can change the straps. The straps come off. You can put chains, you can put different straps. They have different straps you can add. They have crossbody you can add. They have all kind of stuff depending on which one of these you want, whether you want a small one, a bigger one, a taller one, a tote, whatever, they have it. Okay, now you just have to go on eBay, even Amazon. Maybe I haven't checked, but I'll check it out and see. Amazon, eBay, thrift stores, yard sales, stuff like that to find them, because when they first came out, let me see, they weren't cheap. They were not cheap. And that might be why they went away. So for just the sleeves, they were charging you what you could buy a purse from Charm & Charlie's for. $35 and $18 and things like that for just the individual sleeves. And the actual purse portion, the actual main compartment, let's see. So from my knowledge, these are the 4 purses that they have. Okay, they might have more, I'm not sure, but these are the ones they have. I have the classic right here, and I also have the demi. Okay, but I only have one sleeve for the demi, which is why I didn't share it with you guys. It's harder to find the bigger ones because people like the bigger ones. I really like the small one because this is the purse that I usually take when I'm going out with my honey. You know, you can see it's not that big, so I usually take this purse when he and I are going out on a date night or just a hangout night or whatever. So that's that. But let me show you the one that I made. So like I stated, I took a sleeve that I didn't really too much care for that I found at Savers, and I covered it with this beautiful fabric that I made. I measured it, you know, just trace around it and make you one, sew it or whatever. I sewed this one. As you can see, there's the slip portion right here that can slip off. And I use this to go on my purse, okay? Because I have a skirt that matches this, and my honey has a tie that matches this. And so there we are. And so that is why I'm sharing this with you crafters. I'm sure a lot of you have already seen this purse, but there might be some that have not. So I'm sharing it with you guys because this can be a crafter's purse for real, you know, because we like to do things differently. We like to display things that we do. This is the perfect way of doing it, you know. If you have some fabric that you like, or you've made something and you have a matching some fabric left over, you can make you a sleeve for your purse, okay? And for real, really match, okay? So I thought I would just share that with you guys. I absolutely love this purse. I'm never going to get rid of this purse. I don't care if they said it's a trend. It's not a trend to me. I'm keeping it, and it's going in my forever closet, okay? Because it's definitely a staple in my closet. Like I said, I really don't see in any time that I'm going to be getting rid of it. And I always try to get sleeves that are kind of timeless, you know. There are some that are a little fashionable in there, but for the most part, it's just a plain color or something like this. Okay, 4th of July. right? Independence Day, all those type of holidays. This is perfect for it. Is that ever going to go away? I doubt it. We're in America. It's never going to go away. We're in the United States. But look at that. So I have, counting this sleeve on here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 purses. I've got 7 purses here. Okay. 7 purses. So if I want to go on vacation and I need to wear different colors for my purses, I can grab this bag, switch out the strap to a crossbody strap, because I like crossbodies when I'm traveling. Or, you know, bring both sets of straps. But the point is, I have one purse, and then this is the room it's going to take up. Maybe, what is that? I'll say 5 by 8. A 5 by 8 space, okay, is what it will take up in my suitcase. As a matter of fact, I could, if I wanted to, stick it in the purse like that. So this is how I store it on my rack for the most part in my closet. I store it just like this. And then when I want to wear it, I snatch one out and throw it on there, okay? Now, I'm still looking for some of these sleeves. I'm still looking at the yard sales. I sometimes check eBay. You can find them easily on eBay and other sites like that because people are trying to get rid of them because the trend is over. But it's not a trend for me. For me, this is part of my new treasure of things that I plan on not ever getting rid of. And so with that, yeah, go ahead and sell them for 50 cents to $1 or $5 or $10. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll probably have about 30 to 40 of these in no time at all. And it's great. I tell you, it brings me great joy and relief when I want to go somewhere. I have a lot of small little handbags, and maybe I'll do a handbag video soon. But I love this bag. I know this bag will not let me down. For one, I can never not find the color that I need because I have the red, the green, the pink, the lime green, black, blue, red, and white, and pink. I still have to get a blue. So I'm missing a blue, an orange, and a yellow. Blue, orange, and yellow. But in my closet, I have a blue, orange, and yellow purse. You see what I'm saying? But I still would like to get it because I love carrying this little purse. I feel that it's pretty classy. It's small and dainty. It's not oversized, but it's not so small where I have to try to rearrange a wallet in a phone because that's all that will fit. You know, it is a nice amount of space in here. And I love how it zips up. This is, again, the classic. They have several different kinds. And I also like how it snaps on the sides. Let me snap it. I'll show you. So on the sides of it, it has the snap to snap down the zipper. And I like this when I travel because I don't want nobody being able to dig in my purse. And you know, sometimes, ladies, let's be honest, we don't always zip our purse. We don't always close our purse, okay? So I like that because they can't even sneak their finger in there. And if they just try to do this real quick without bothering me, because it's stealing, they're not going to think, oh, it has a snap there. They're just going to see if they can dig their hand in there. And if they can't, they'll probably move on. But I like it. So you see it's completely closed at the top. This is the one that I made that's on there, which is why there's no little feet. The feet are in there, but I didn't want to cut through the fabric. So they're still in there though. So when you put it down, you put it down on the feet. I have this cute little charm that I always keep on here too. Isn't that cute? My auntie got that for me. But anyhow, so that is it, you guys. Just a really quick video. Really wanted to share that with you guys. Check it out. Miche, I'll put all the information down in the description box so that you guys can check it out if you're interested. And like I've already stated, again, I'll say this is great for crafters because I know sometimes I have I'll make some crazy looking pattern stuff that I want to wear with a headband or whatever. And sometimes, you know, you don't find stuff like that in the stores. So if I can make it and put it on my purse or some charms or some pins, or if I want to E6000 some pretty stuff on some fabric and put it on here on the, you know, whatever I want to do, sky's the limit with this. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And hopefully you guys will too. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps. Remember to please subscribe. You guys, if you're still watching, please subscribe. I'm trying to get my subscriptions up so I can continue doing this YouTube thing. Okay. So please subscribe. Please like. Please comment. Notification bell. All that jazz. Okay. Stay wrapped in scraps. Stay loving you. You can't love anyone else if you don't love yourself. Okay? If you don't love you, learn to love you. Understand that you are valuable. Understand that God put you here and that you matter, that you're somebody and there's no one else in this earth, on the earth, under the earth like you. So stay loving you. Stay loving God. Stay loving life. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.